So we're doing cravings. We just talked about cravings. We've got chips being passed around. We have chocolate. We have lots of different things. And yours was about creamy mushroom pasta, and you had a picture of it there. And you said it was 15 out of 10 that you wanted to have it. And you also said you had an inkling of where that memory came from. All right. So just thinking about it right now, that 15 out of 10 that you want to have, that creamy mushroom pasta, where are you feeling it in your body?
I feel like a heat, and it's in my upper chest, shoulders, and it's rising.
Even though I've got this heat?
Even though I've got this heat.
That's rising from my chest to my shoulders?
That's rising from my chest to my shoulders.
When I think about tapping?
When I think about tapping.
For the craving?
For the craving.
Of creamy mushroom pasta.
Of creamy mushroom pasta.
I accept myself.
I accept myself.
And how I feel.
And how I feel.
Even though I've got this heat rising.
Even though I've got this heat rising.
From my chest up into my shoulders and neck.
From my chest up into my shoulders and neck.
When I think about tapping for this craving.
When I think about tapping for this craving.
Of creamy mushroom pasta.
Of creamy mushroom pasta.
I accept myself.
I accept myself.
And how I feel.
And how I feel.
Even though I've got a craving.
Even though I've got a craving.
15 out of 10.
15 out of 10.
For creamy mushroom pasta.
For creamy mushroom pasta.
And I feel this heat rising from my chest.
And I feel this heat rising from my chest.
I accept myself.
I accept myself.
And how I feel.
And how I feel.
This heat rising from my chest.
This heat rising from my chest.
This 15 out of 10 craving.
This 15 out of 10 craving.
I really want creamy mushroom pasta.
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 My body really wants creamy mushroom pasta.
My body really wants creamy mushroom pasta.
That creamy mushroom pasta feeling.
That creamy mushroom pasta feeling.
I can taste it in my mouth.
I can taste it in my mouth.
I wonder where I first felt that.
I wonder where I first felt that.
That craving for creamy mushroom pasta.
That craving for creamy mushroom pasta.
Just tuning in here. So when was the first time, or what do you associate and relate to creamy mushroom pasta?
I'm having two vague memories. One is the stress of uni and just going and needing to eat creamy mushroom pasta every night.
And so where were you, let's just go to that memory first, where were you when you were studying for uni? Were you at home?
No, I'm living out of home and I have to travel by tram, and I'm tired and carrying everything, and I have to pick something up on the way home, like to cook with. And creamy mushroom pasta was the thing I knew how to cook, because I'd been cooking it for like at least 10 years.
So you knew how to cook it?
Yeah.
So when you knew how to cook that, how did it make you feel? In control?
Something else is coming up. I taught my dad, this is the first meal I taught my dad how to cook. And we were in Queensland. He took us on a holiday, and he was awful at cooking.
But when you were on a holiday in Queensland?
Yep.
So when you're on a holiday, of course, you're feeling relaxed and at ease. And you were teaching your dad something.
Yeah, I cooked. I was 10, and I showed my dad how to cook.
And how did that feel when you were 10 and you showed your dad how to cook?
This is bringing up a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah. I felt like I was caring for him.
Yeah. And what's the emotion?
It's a lot of things.
Where are you feeling it in your body?
Well, I feel like crying.
Let's just do this. Even though I've got all this emotion.
Even though I've got all this emotion.
And I feel like crying.
And I feel like crying.
When I think about when I was 10.
When I think about when I was 10.
Dad was a crap cook.
Dad was a crap cook.
And I taught him
And I taught him
how to make creamy mushroom pasta.
how to make creamy mushroom pasta.
And I was caring for him.
And I was caring for him.
I accept myself
I accept myself
and how I feel.
and how I feel.
Even though when I was 10
Even though when I was 10
and we were on holiday in Queensland
and we were on holiday in Queensland
and my dad was a crap cook
and my dad was a crap cook,
and I taught him how to cook creamy mushroom pasta.
I taught him. I feel like I was teaching him how to care about me. Yeah.
And it felt like I was teaching him how to care about me.
It felt like I was teaching him how to care about me.
I accept myself
I accept myself
and everything my body's feeling.
and everything my body's feeling.
Even though creamy mushroom pasta
Even though creamy mushroom pasta
feels like someone's taking care of me
feels like someone's taking care of me
because I was trying to teach Dad
because I was trying to teach Dad
how to care for me.
how to care for me.
I accept myself
I accept myself
and how I feel.
and how I feel.
I was at uni.
I was at uni.
I didn't feel cared for.
I didn't feel cared for.
Is that right? I was at uni.
I was at uni.
I wanted to feel cared for.
I wanted to feel cared for.
So that 10-year-old me made me mushroom pasta.
So that 10-year-old me made me mushroom pasta.
And when I eat mushroom pasta,
And when I eat mushroom pasta,
I feel like someone's taking care of me.
I feel like someone's taking care of me.
Because I feel like no one's taking care of me.
Because I feel like no one's taking care of me.
And I've associated creamy mushroom pasta
And I've associated creamy mushroom pasta
with someone taking care of me.
with someone taking care of me.
I really wanted Dad to take care of me when I was 10.
I really wanted Dad to take care of me when I was 10.
But he was a crap cook.
But he was a crap cook.
And I had to teach him
And I had to teach him
at 10 years old
at 10 years old
how to make creamy mushroom pasta.
how to make creamy mushroom
I
pasta.
was pretty proud of myself.
I was pretty proud of myself.
But I really was teaching him
I was teaching him
how to take care of me.
how to take care of me.
And when I was at uni,
And when I was at uni,
travelling,
traveling,
carrying heavy things,
carrying heavy things,
tired,
tired,
I really wanted someone to take care of me.
I really wanted someone to take care of me.
I really wanted someone to take care of me.
I really wanted someone to take care of me.
And I linked creamy mushroom pasta
And I linked creamy mushroom pasta
to someone taking care of me.
to someone taking care of me.
But someone taking care of me isn't in that food.
But someone taking care of me isn't in that food.
It isn't in that food.
It isn't in that food.
I just wanted someone to take care of me
I just wanted someone to take care of me
because I was tired.
because I was tired.
Going to uni,
Going to uni,
travelling,
traveling,
carrying heavy things.
carrying heavy things.
I felt unsupported
I felt unsupported
and overwhelmed.
and overwhelmed.
And somehow creamy mushroom pasta made me feel cared for.
And somehow creamy mushroom pasta made me feel cared for.
But it's just food.
But it's just food.
And maybe I can release that association
And maybe I can release that association
of eating creamy mushroom pasta.
of eating creamy mushroom pasta.
It doesn't equal someone's taking care of me.
It doesn't equal someone's taking care of me.
And maybe I can feel cared for
And maybe I can feel cared for
without creamy mushroom pasta.
without creamy mushroom pasta.
Okay, find the creamy mushroom pasta picture, please. So we can test this.
It's gonna.
Wipe up a bit first. See how it goes to places you don't know.
I feel a bit repulsed by it.
She's burning.
Because that's the other feeling I always have towards it is both. But because it makes me actually really violently unwell. Like the last time I ate it, I was vomiting. And it's a really aggressive vomit, like, because it makes me really sick.
Mm-hmm. Is that the only time that it's made you sick?
It always makes me sick.
So there's those two parts to it. So when you were teaching your dad to take care of you, was there a part of you that was angry at 10 years old that he wasn't taking care of you?
Yeah, he wasn't protecting me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And my mum taught me how to make it. So it was the only thing I knew how to make at the time.
Mm-hmm.
And she also wasn't taking care of me enough.
Even though
Even though
I really want creamy mushroom pasta sauce,
I really want creamy mushroom pasta sauce.
but it makes me feel sick
But it makes me feel sick
and violently ill
and violently ill
every time.
every time.
And I've linked it to my mum
And I've linked it to my mum
and my dad.
and my dad.
I accept myself
I accept myself
and everything I've linked it to.
and everything I've linked it to.
Even though my dad didn't protect me.
Even though my dad didn't protect me.
He didn't care for me properly.
He didn't care for me properly.
And it made me angry.
It made me angry.
And it made me sick.
And it made me sick.
Violently sick.
Violently sick.
I accept myself
I accept myself
and everything I feel.
and everything I feel.
Even though
Even though
creamy mushroom pasta
creamy mushroom pasta
is linked with my dad
is linked with my dad
and my mum.
and my mum.
And there's an aspect of it that makes me violently ill.
And there's an aspect of it that makes me violently ill.
Because I'm angry my dad didn't care and protect me.
Because I'm angry my dad didn't care and protect me.
I accept myself
I accept myself
and how I feel.
and how I feel.
This feeling,
This feeling,
I wanted to be cared for.
I wanted to be cared for.
I wasn't cared for.
I wasn't cared for.
I wasn't protected.
I wasn't protected.
My mum, that was the only thing my mum showed me how to cook.
It was the only thing my mum showed me how to cook.
And I made it mean she cared for me.
And it made it mean she cared for me.
And when I didn't feel cared for
And when I didn't feel cared for
or protected
or protected
by my dad,
by my dad,
I cooked
I cooked
creamy mushroom pasta.
creamy mushroom pasta.
It made me violently ill
It made me violently ill.
that dad didn't care and protect me.
That dad didn't care and protect me.
I wasn't protected.
I wasn't protected.
Dad didn't do his job.
Dad didn't do his job.
I wasn't protected.
I wasn't protected.
Dad didn't do his job.
Dad didn't do his job.
And that made me angry.
It made me angry.
It made me violently ill.
Made me violently ill.
And maybe I can process and release that now.
And maybe I can process and release that now.
Thanking my body
Thanking my body
for holding on to this feeling,
for holding on to this feeling
to protect me in some way.
to protect me in some way,
But it no longer serves me.
but it no longer serves me.
And I want to release and let go of that 10-year-old feeling.
And I want to release and let go of that 10-year-old feeling.
All the way back to all the times I felt it.
All the way back to all the times I felt it.
Releasing and letting go
Releasing and letting go
of that anger,
of that anger,
of not being protected,
of not being protected,
not being cared for
not being cared for
by Dad.
by dad.
Out of that creamy mushroom pasta.
And of that creamy mushroom pasta.
Maybe I can eat it without being violently ill.
Maybe I can eat it without being violently ill.
Maybe I don't have to crave it.
Maybe I don't have to crave it.
Maybe it can just be another food
Maybe it can just be another food
without having any meaning attached to it.
without having any meaning attached to it.
I wonder what that would feel like.
I wonder what that would feel like.
It's just a food
It's just a food
without any emotion and meaning attached to it.
without any emotion or meaning attached to it.
That might feel weird.
That might feel weird.
All right, have another look at the picture.
I'm not feeling much towards it. Like I'm not having this tummy gurgle, and I'm not salivating.
It's just a food now, right?
I think so.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, it's amazing.
Yay.